Hi guys! Today we're going to make stuffed tomatoes with beef. The ingredients that we need are 4 large tomatoes, ground beef, minced or pressed garlic, cooked rice, then your dried parsley, salt and pepper, and olive oil. Our first step is to cut a thin slice off the top of each tomato and save it for later. Then remove the core and reserve the pulp. Next, invert tomatoes onto paper towels to drain. Heat the pan into medium-low heat and cook the ground beef without putting oil until it turns dark brown. Once the beef starts to turn dark brown, add in the reserved pulp. As you can see, I forgot to chop the reserved pulp before adding it into my beef. Please do not forget to chop the reserved pulp before adding it into your beef. In a new pan, add oil and sauté the garlic until it turns light brown. Stir in rice. And add some salt and pepper to taste. Then your dried parsley. Cook for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mix in your beef. At this point, you can preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Remove the pan from the heat. Now this step is totally optional, but if you like, you can also add cheese into your rice. Let this cool for about 10 minutes. Once it's cool, spoon into tomato shells and cover with the reserved top of the tomatoes. Then place the stuffed tomatoes into a greased shallow baking dish. Bake it uncovered for about 30 to 35 minutes.